The universal constant in the search for life is always water. So now we're looking at bodies like Europa, the moon of Jupiter, Enceladus, and Ceres as places where there may have been life in the past because they have the essential ingredients. They had liquid water, or do at the present. They had essential chemical ingredients, and they had energy sources. By studying Ceres, which is a time capsule from the beginning of the solar system, we know that we can learn something very fundamental about how our planetary system formed. Dawn's targets, Vesta and Ceres, are two protoplanets left over from the very early accretionary phase of the solar system. And the solar system formed from a nebula of gas and dust that then formed small pieces that created planetesimals, just the smallest building block, and these accreted together to form the bigger blocks and eventually what we call protoplanets.